નમસ્કાર મારા વહાલા વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. મારા વહાલા બાળકો, હજી સુધી તમે આપણી યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ના કરી હોય તો જલ્દી સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો અને આ વિડીયોને લાઇક કરવાનું ભૂલશો નહીં. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આજે આપણે ધોરણ 7 અંગ્રેજી વિષયમાં અસાઇનમેન્ટમાં ક્વેશ્ચન 2નું સોલ્યુશન કરીશું. ક્વેશ્ચન 2a. Say whether the following statements are true or false. બાળકો, તમારા પ્રશ્નમાં આ પ્રશ્ન કુલ 6 ગુણમાં પૂછાશે, જેમાં તમારે કોઈ પણ 6 ટ્રુ ફોલ્સના આન્સર લખવાના રહેશે. યુનિટ 1. એક તેજસ્વીની વેન્ટ ટુ ધ સીશોર. તો આ વાક્ય ખોટું છે, એટલે આપણે અહીં લખીશું ફોલ્સ. નંબર 2. Tejasvini was proud to see the bicycle. True. વિધાન સાચું હોય તે આપણે ટ્રુ લખીશું. 3. There was a blue button near the bell. False. ચાર. Tejasvini saw a kite in the river. False. 5. Tejaswini's father gifted her a scooter. False. Unit 2. એક Gopal threw stones at the giants. True. 2. Gopal saw bees buzzing over the jalebis. False. 3. Gopal liked the jalebis. True. 4. There were 3 cruel giants in the kingdom. False. 5. Gopal killed 7 at a blow. True. Unit 3. એક Harry is a shopkeeper. False. 2. Mr. Jadeja is a policeman. True. 3. Mrs. Modi is a teacher. False. 4. Rishma buys 5 bottles of shampoo. True. 5. Mr. Jadeja bought 100 ml of quicker shampoo. True. Unit 4. એક The king was a magician. True. 2. Longer legs wanted to marry the princess. False. 3. The king hid the princess under a mountain. False. 4. Sharper eyes drank all the water of the lake. False. 5. The silver fish turned into the princess. True. પ્રશ્ન 2b. Who says these words? આ પ્રશ્ન પણ તમારા પ્રશ્નપત્રમાં કુલ 6 ગુણનો પૂછાશે અને 6 સેન્ટેન્સ પૂછાશે. યુનિટ 2. એક Oh, the giants are really huge. આ વાક્ય ગોપાલ બોલે છે, તો અહીં આપણે લખીશું ગોપાલ. 2. Go away dirty flies. આ વાક્ય પણ ગોપાલ બોલે છે. 3. Did you throw stones at me? The first giant બોલે છે. 4. You are a brave boy. The king બોલે છે. 5. I can't fight with them. ગોપાલ. 6. I will give you a rich reward. The king. 7. Did anyone try to catch them before? ગોપાલ બોલે છે. યુનિટ 3. 1. Give me a proof. આ વાક્ય મિસ્ટર જાડેજા બોલે છે. 2. I can offer you a good discount. આ વાક્ય હેરી બોલે છે. 3. I am already late for the school પ્રવેશોત્સવ ફંક્શન. આ વાક્ય મિસિસ મોદી બોલે છે. 4. Please give me 5 bottles. આ વાક્ય રેશમા બોલે છે. 5. Can I have your 5 minutes? આ વાક્ય હેરી બોલે છે. 6. Take an appointment and then come. મિસિસ મોદી બોલે છે. 7. Sometimes these type of shampoo spoil our hair. આ વાક્ય રેશમા કહે છે. યુનિટ 4. 1. She is 200 miles away. શાર્પર આઈસ કહે છે આ વાક્ય. 2. Now it is my turn. Bigger belly. 3. I have hidden the princess somewhere else. The king. 4. The princess is on the top of a mountain. Sharper eyes. 5. The king has turned her into a silver fish. Sharper eyes. 6. Find her out and bring her to me before the sunset. The king કહે છે. 7. Come with the princess before the sunset. આ વાક્ય પણ the king કહે છે. પ્રશ્ન 2. C. Read the paragraphs and answer the questions. For questions એટલે કે 4 પ્રશ્ન પૂછાશે તમારા પ્રશ્નપત્રમાં જેના કુલ 4 ગુણ હશે. પેરેગ્રાફ 1. Childhood is the stage of life when everything can be enjoyed. It is the time when children love to play, learn, sing, dance, or simply spend time talking to friends. But today, most children sit in front of the TV set. They waste a lot of time. They only like to watch films, serials, and songs. As a result, children find it difficult to mix with others. They do not like to play games or read books. Their homework is often incomplete. People call the TV set is an idiot box. Question 1. What do the children love to do? The children love to play, learn, sing, dance, or simply spend time talking to friends. Question 2. What do people call the TV set idiot box? Question 3. Childhood is the stage of life when everything can be enjoyed. 4. Find a sentence with the same meaning. They do not use their time properly. They waste a lot of time. Paragraph 2. Dr. Abdul Kalam loves to work with students too. He visits schools and colleges and talks to the children. Every day, he receives about 300 emails from the students. He is a busy man, but he replies to many of them. He inspires young boys and girls to study well and make our nation great. Question 1. What does Dr. Abdul Kalam love? Dr. Abdul Kalam loves to work with students. 2. What does he inspire young boys and girls? He inspires young boys and girls to study well and make our nation great. Question 3. Abdul Kalam visits schools and colleges. 4. Dr. Abdul Kalam receives about 300 emails. Paragraph 3. Akbar once asked his courtiers to bring the most beautiful thing to the court. Birbal too was present in the court. Next day, the courtiers brought various things they thought were the most beautiful. They brought precious stones, rare flowers, birds, and paintings. Birbal walked into the court with a dirty child. Akbar was surprised and angry. He asked Birbal to explain himself. Birbal said to its mother, the child is the most beautiful thing in the world. Akbar was happy with Birbal's answer. He gave him a reward. Question 1. What did the courtiers bring the next day? The courtiers brought precious stones, rare flowers, birds, and paintings. Question 2. What did Birbal bring? Dirty child. Question 3. What is the most beautiful thing for a mother? The most beautiful thing for a mother is her child. Question 4. Which word in the passage is the opposite of ugly? Beautiful. Paragraph 4. The earth goes round the sun and the moon goes round the earth. The earth is a planet. There are many planets that go round the sun. But the moon is not a planet. The moon is called the satellite of the earth. Other planets also have their satellites. The sun, the planets, and their satellites form the solar system. Solar means belonging to the sun. At night, you see thousands of stars in the sky. Stars twinkle, but planets do not. Question 1. What goes round the earth? The moon goes round the earth. 2. What is the earth? The earth is a planet. Question 3. What is the moon called? Satellite. 4. Which word in the paragraph means to shine? Twinkle. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અહીં અસાઇનમેન્ટમાં પ્રશ્ન 2નું સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન પૂર્ણ થાય છે. વિડીયો ગમ્યો હોય તો તેને લાઇક કરો, તમારા મિત્રો સુધી શેર કરો. આવા જ અવનવા ઉપયોગી વિડીયો જોવા માટે આપણી યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ સાથે જોડાયેલા રહો. મળીએ એક નવા વિડીયો સાથે. ધન્યવાદ.